looking through clouds like sheets of paper in the sky. You look so tired and disillusioned. Still I know on a clear day I can see it in front of me, and I am no longer burdened by today. But on a clear day I can see it in front of me, and I am no longer burdened by today. I've been through hell and back again. It served me well, but in all creation is all that there is. Still I know on a clear day I can see her in front of me, and I am no longer burdened by today. But on a clear day I can see her in front of me, and I am no longer burdened by today. Like a ship that sails